Hey guys, welcome back to Marcus Kitchen. Today we're making butter chicken, which is a classic Indian dish, and it's one of my favourite Indian dishes. So I'm going to be happy to show you how to make butter chicken. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. So for the butter chicken, I've got 600 grams of chicken thigh fillet. I've got half a cup Greek style yogurt. I got all my spices mixed in there. I got my tomato paste, which is 410 grams. I got my half a cup of thickened cream. I got my 20 grams of butter, my tablespoon of oil, my 1 brown onion, my little bit of ginger there, 2 garlic cloves, and a bit of stock. So first I'm going to cut the chicken. So I'm just going to cut that up now. Okay. So it says on the recipe cut into 3 centimeter pieces. So I'm just going to cut it into like little chunks because I like them chunky. That's all my chicken cut up. Okay, so next I'm going to just move that off to the side. Cut up my garlic. I'm gonna wash my hands because I just touched meat. Alright, I'm back. So I'm just gonna cut this garlic now. See how I'm using a separate knife for the veggies. Just cut the ends off. When I cut my garlic, I just squish it with my knife. There's garlic on my finger. Squish it with my knife, nice and squashed, and then I just cut it up like that. And then put it on the side so it doesn't get in the way. So cut the ends of this garlic. Okay, so my garlic's ready to be cut. So squish it, put it back together, chop, 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 put to the side. Okay, now I've got my ginger, and I need to grate my ginger. Grate it up. So I'm just going to grate my ginger now. Grating my ginger now. So I grated all my ginger. So make sure you get all your ginger out. All the ginger's coming out actually, which isn't that great. But okay, so all my ginger now, look at all that. So now I need to put in my garlic. No, first I should have first just put my yogurt into my bowl. Just pour my yogurt in there. Get a spoon to scoop the yogurt out. Got my yogurt in there. Put my ginger and garlic in there. Put all my spices in. and my famous chicken. Oh, let's get my chicken. So now that my chicken's in there, I need to stir it. I'm just going to stir it up so it's all coated in flavouring and stuff. All coated in the flavouring and the yogurt and the chili and the spices and the garlic and the coriander. So that should be mixed enough now. So now I need to cook this in the saucepan. So I'll see you over there. Thanks guys. Alright, it's time to cook the chicken. So I'm going to heat up the... Oops, wrong stuff. I'm going to heat up the butter and the oil in a saucepan over medium heat, and then I'm going to add the onion and cook the onion, and then I'm going to add the chicken mixture to the pan, cook and stir, and then I'm going to add all the other things that I'll show you later. So let's get started. So the stove is heating up now. It's got oil in it, you might not be able to see it, but it's got oil in it. Okay, so I'm going to add the oil now and add the butter. So I've got all that melting. I'm gonna stir that. Just turn the heat down a bit. Now that it's worked. So now all that in. So then it says to add the onion. So I'm going to add all my onion. So that's cool. Put the onion in there. Now I've got to cook that onion. So now I'm going to get my chicken. And I'm going to add the chicken to it. And I got a fresh spoon to stir it all in there. Now that's good. So now I'm going to add my tomato puree. My tomato puree and my stock. So just add my stock in there. And then with stock you just add a bit of water. Now I'm just going to mix that up a bit. Mix that up. So now I bring it to the boil. So just turn the heat up a bit. it's now come to the boil, and now I'm just reducing the heat to low and let it simmer and occasionally stir it for 10 minutes. Alright, so the sauce, the chicken is done. So now I just need to add the cream. Add the cream. So now I stir the cream in. And then, now that's all stirred in. Okay. Whoops. Just simmered with the cream. Now that is done. So now I'm just going to turn it off the heat now. Just let it sit there. And then I'll show you how to plate it up with rice. And then I'll finish the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, but I'll tell that at the end anyway, so see you later. Thanks guys. Alright, so the meat's finished cooking, the rice is ready, so I'm going to serve it now. So with my serving, I'm going to serve the rice into the bowl first. Bit more rice, and then with your meat you get your butter chicken. I just like to stir it first, and then I get some meat, pour it on top, get some more meat, and then just drizzle some sauce around the outside. And then that's my buttered chicken. So it's got the rice and the chicken. It's got like yogurt and onion and garlic and all stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. I'll put the recipe. Enjoy that recipe, and I'll put the recipe in the link. The link to the recipe in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And there'll be more videos coming soon. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching my butter chicken recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be putting the recipe in the description like usual. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And it really helps me out if you do all them things. And share it a lot, because I get more subscribers and then I can get more videos up and get more determined to do it. So don't don't forget to subscribe again and suggest some foods. Alright, thanks guys, see you later, bye.